Hugo the Hippo learns to share ***. Hugo the Hippo loved his snacks. Every day at noon, he munched on juicy water lilies by the pond, all by himself ***. His friends, Milo the monkey and Lila the lion cub, would watch sadly as Hugo gobbled up every last bite. One sunny morning, Hugo woke up late, again because he had stayed up past bedtime watching fireflies. Rushing to the pond, he tripped over a rock and splash! His snack basket flew into the water. "Oh no!" Hugo groaned. His tummy rumbled, but there were no lilies left. Just then, Milo and Lila hopped over with their own snacks. "Want some bananas, Hugo?" Milo asked. "Or crunchy carrots?" Lila added. Hugo's eyes widened. "You'd share with me?" He felt a little guilty. He'd never shared before. That day, Hugo learned something wonderful. Sharing makes snacks and friendships sweeter. From then on, he set a bedtime alarm, woke up on time, and always packed extra lilies for his friends. And guess what? Picnics became the happiest part of his day. The end. Moral. Sharing is caring, and good habits, like sleep and punctuality, make every day brighter.